Looking for blazing hot plants with amazing flowers? Check out these underappreciated blooming wonders. Most of these beauties grow best in homes with moderate humidity and warmth. Chenille Plant. The drooping, fuzzy caterpillar blooms of Chenille Plant appear throughout the year. Give this cascader partial sun, average moisture, and slow-release fertilizer for best growth. Desert Rose. This succulent desert tropical has a bulbous trunk-like base and brilliant red, pink, or white flowers that decorate the branches from late winter to fall. Grow desert rose in bright indoor sun and provide fast-draining soil, light water, and monthly fertilizer. Lipstick Plant. Lipstick Plant is a pretty cascader perfect for hanging baskets. Grow it in a bright window and it'll bear lots of lipstick red flowers. It prefers fertile soil with even moisture and slow-release fertilizer. Red Tiger Parlor Maple. Parlor maples are old-fashioned houseplants for sunny indoor spots, but the striking striped flowers of Red Tiger are something special. Grow these in sunny rooms in pots of rich, evenly moist garden soil. Fertilize twice monthly. Slipperwort. The remarkable slipper-like flowers of this small houseplant come in vibrant shades of orange, red, and gold. Provide it with morning sun and grow it in organic rich soil that's just moist. Fertilize it monthly. Flame Violet, don't you love that name? This shade-loving, spreading houseplant has gorgeous silver and green leaves and scarlet flowers that bloom from spring to fall. Give it filtered sunlight, evenly moist soil, and slow-release fertilizer. Mexican Scarlet Plume. The flowers of this Mexican native look like streamers of orange-red and appear in winter. It grows best in bright light, fertile soil with good drainage and monthly fertilizer. Bolivian Sunset Gloxinia. The bright orange-red winter flowers of this lovely houseplant stand out against its deep green leaves. Give it semi-shade, slow-release fertilizer, and moist, well-drained soil that's high in organic matter. Coleria. These little-known African violet relatives have some of the prettiest tubular flowers of orange, red, pink, and white. Grow them in semi-shade, evenly moist soil, and provide slow-release fertilizer. Chandelier Plant, the name says it all. The numerous pinkish bell-shaped blossoms of this hanging succulent make it well worth growing. It blooms in late winter or spring. Give it well-drained soil, high sunlight, and moderate to low water. Grow it in a tall pot or hanging basket. Golden Shrimp Plant is a bushy plant with candles of yellow and white flowers that bloom intermittently throughout the year. Grow it in partial sun and plant it in rich, evenly moist garden soil. Fertilize twice monthly for best blooming. You'll never miss summer with a home full of hothouse flowers. Happy gardening!